Right, everyone, it only takes a few seconds to save someone's life. You may have seen on the internet those lovely, adorable pictures of that young, sweet girl, Kaiya, who has leukemia. Okay, so you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, how do I help her? Because everybody's posting these things, but I'm just wondering how many people are doing things. It'd be great if you go to a temple and get a swab, but actually it's even easier than that. You go online, you can sign up to a company like this, completely free, and they will send you a swab, right? And the swabs look like this. I've put the internet address somewhere around this video, so you'll be able to find it. They send you these swabs, which are a bit like, you know, the earbuds you're used to. All you've got to do, and it takes about a second to go to the website, takes a second then once you've got this, put the swabs in your mouth. The instructions are on there. Okay, like this. Then you put it in an envelope. Like I said, they send you all the instructions anyway. And it's a free post envelope. It's free. You just go to the post office. What they'll then do is they'll work out from your DNA, your stem cells, and whether you're a match, not just for this girl, but actually for a whole host of children who could really be helped by stem cell therapy. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's free. You can do it from home. You just go to a website, you take a swab, you stick it in an envelope, you post it. It is that simple. It doesn't cost you anything, and the total time commitment is about 120 seconds. Okay, it is that simple. Click on the URL. DKMS is just one of the trusted companies which will do that. And once you sign up for that register, it might not be just this girl. Hopefully it'll be her that you're a match with, but it could be any other. So it's as simple as that. Please do it. It'll be the most important thing you probably do all year. Thank you.